Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Dias Vinjali, and this is my presentation about my proposal, and with the title "An Analysis of Reading Habit uh, of the Fourth Semester Student of English Education Department." And my name is Dias Vinjali. My student number is 47. And then we go into the next. The first is abstract. Uh, um, in recent years, the learning process, considering that language learning is primarily a learner-oriented activity. For that, learner need and interest should be taken into consideration for effective language learning and teaching to take place. One significant area where learner influence their learning can be seen in reading. So, reading habit in the Korean area are rare for students. Students know very rarely to read, although reading habits can make us have a broad insight and have a lot of information that we can. But the awareness of students today will read very little. So some of these problems are still not able to solve the problem. In research, always like to read. In recent era, the student much love to being another activity except reading. That's the problem. And then for the next is research question. For number one is, can reading habit increase insights? Number two, why is the rate of reading habit for students is low in this era? Number three is, how students improve that reading habit can help our insight. And number four is, how students solve the problem to always reading habit. And then propose something like I answer the recent question. And for the number one is to convince reading is key for improve their insight that can help for learning process and solve another problem in every material. And number two is to improve the rate of reading in Indonesia is very low, and there is much to increase for reading habit in Indonesia. And number three, to improve their habit in reading is with to know how important is reading is, how important reading in era now, that reading is key to increase their insight. And number four is to solve the problem is with inform to student that book is very innovative and make us interest with the topic to reading book for anything. And then for the theoretical review, number one is the outline. Relates to this reading habit refer to the behavior which express the likeness of reading of individual types of reading and taste of reading. This statement I took by Sankeo 1999. It is pattern with which an individual organizes his or her reading. Similarly, Sen 2006 identifies reading habit as how often, how much, and what students read. Researchers in the past decade have developed effort to examining learners' reading habit. And then for the spotting theories, a good reading habit is necessary for a healthy intellectual growth and plays a very crucial role in enabling a person to achieve practical efficiency. Furthermore, an individual's interests are determined to a considerable extent by the amount he will read and intensity with which he will pursue of reading activity. By reading books, one gets confirmation or rejection of one's of ideas, which make one think more critically about right and wrong in the society. Reading interests or preference seem to be differed with different age level. Surveyed the leisure reading choices of rural teenager and found that their reason for leisure reading were for entertainment and for acquiring information. Magazine and newspaper were found to be the most preferred reading material of teenager. It has also been shown that informational reading was the main purpose for adult reading, and their most popular books are adventure, crime, social problem, novels, politics, and sport in ranking sequence. So I will give you the data. Reviewed several selected studies on reading preference of adolescents and conclude that adolescents do read extensively in books, periodicals, and newspaper. Graduate and undergraduate students reading behavior are slightly varied. Examines 285 freshmen at large Southern Urban University, over 70% of all students favored reading magazine and newspaper, most and novelists, and half of the students read the sport, entertainment, and front page section of the newspaper regularly. In addition, graduate ESL students spend more time reading academic material than did their undergraduate counterpart. This is the data reading habit for graduate and undergraduate. So the next is researcher finding of reading habit varied on academic performance, career and profession. Note that research on the effect of technology on reading achievement demonstrate mixed results. On the one hand, Shero and Mokhtari indicate that there is no significant difference between high and low proficient reader with regard of amount of time spent reading academic or non-academic materials. On the other hand, Gallic posits that there is a significant positive relationship between student cumulative grade point average and the time spent reading for pleasure during vacation. So the next is subject in high English proficiency group spend more time reading academic material than subject in low English proficiency group. So we can see the data between English proficiency group is more than high than in low English proficiency group for reading habit. And then on the contrary, Hefner, Palmer, and Toulouse examined the difference in reading interest of good and pure 9th grade reader and found no difference between good and poor reader in number of magazine or books read. The present study tries to pursue the following question. Is for number one is what types of reading material preferred by the EFL postgraduate students. Number two is what reasons are given by the EFL postgraduate learner. And number three is what is the preferred language for reading of the EFL postgraduate learner. So this question is important to know about the habit of reading of the student in English department. And then the next part is researcher methodology. The number one is the method of the researcher. In this research, use observation of students for semester in English education and sort the questionnaire for the student. And for the sample is the responder for the student fourth semester in English education. There were 18 female and 9 female respondents of age that rank between 19 until 22 years old. And the next is number 3. The questionnaire was divided into 2 parts. First is demographic question pertaining to the reading habit and preference of EFL learner. And second is the statement reflecting the metacognitive strategies. This study focused on the information in the first part of the questionnaire. And the last is the researcher distribute the questionnaire to the student in class while the subject answer the questionnaire. The researcher remain in the classroom to respond on any queries the subject may have had in regard to the questionnaire. Upon completion, the researcher collect all answer questionnaire. Data. The study was analyzed using descriptive statistics where frequency count were tabulated and converted to percentage. So this is my presentation for the proposal. I hope you get a benefit for my presentation, and thank you for your appreciate. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.